11 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য সাইন্টিফিক ডিসিপ্লিন কনসার্ট উইথ দ্য ডিসক্রিপশন অফ রক সাকসেশন অফ দেয়ার অফ ইন্টারপ্রিটেশন ইন টার্মস অফ এ জেনারেল টাইম স্কেল ইজ কল্ড। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, stratigraphy, the scientific of discipline concerned with the description of rock succession of their interpretation in terms of general time of scale is called। 11 number question explain there। Stratigraphy is the scientific discipline branch of geology concerned with the description of rock succession and their interpretation in terms of general time of scale। It provides a basic for historical geology and its principles and method to have to found application in such a field as petroleum geology and archaeology। Next question, 12 number question কি বলছে, limestone is a sedimentary rock composed to primarily of, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, calcium carbonate to limestone is sedimentary rock and composed primarily of। 12 number question explain, limestone is sedimentary rock and composed to mainly of skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral, forms and molluscs। It is the composed to mainly of calcium carbonate CaCO3 usually in the form calcite or argonite। Next question, 13 number question কি বলছে, identify the element that is the most prolific in the crust of the earth। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, oxygen, identify the element the most prolific in the crust of the earth। 13 number question explain, oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust making up 467,100 ppm parts per million of the earth crust or 46.6%. It exists as a major compound of the silicate minerals where it combines with other elements. It also exists as a compound in carbonate and phosphate। Silicon is the second most common element present in the crust with an abundance of 276,900 ppm to 7.7%। Next question, 14 number question কি বলছে, a scientific study of rock that is deals with their composition, texture and structure, their occurrence and distribution and their origin in relation in physicochemical condition is called। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, petrology। 14 number question explain, petrology refers to the scientific study of rock and the condition with the influence their formation। Petrology is a branch of geology that is focused on the chemical analysis in the various fields such as in petrography and mineralogy। It is the concerned within three major types rock, igneous, metamorphic or sedimentary। Next question, 15 number question কি বলছে, what is the term used to describe the angular distance of a place is north or south of earth equator। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, latitude, just what is the term of used that describe to angular distance of a place in north and south earth's equator। 15 number question explain, the latitude is a geographic coordinate that is specific the north and southern position of a point on earth's surface। Latitude is an angle which is ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at the pole। Lines of the constant of the latitudes of the parallels run east west as a circle parallel to the equator। Next question, 16 number question কি বলছে, what is the geographic name given to a deep and narrow valley consisting of the steep side of the created by weathering and erosion by river, wind, rain and tectonic activity। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C. Canyon, which is a geographic name of given the deep and narrow valley consisting of the steep side and created a weathering and erosion by river to wind, rain and tectonic activity. 16 number question explain. A canyon is a deep, is narrow valley and consisting of the steep sided created by the weathering and erosion by river, wind, rain and tectonic activity. River to have to natural capability to jot through underlying surface, so to they ultimately weather and carry away rock layer a series to an event to lead up to the formation to canyon. Next question. 17 number question কি বলছে each fragment of the earth crust is called a চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B. Plate. Each is fragment of the earth crust is called. 70 number question explain. Plate are in pieces of earth crust and uppermost mantle together to refer to the lithosphere. The plate are around 200 km thick and consist two principal types of material: oceanic crust, also called an sima, from the silicon and magnesium, and continental crust, celestial, from the silicon and aluminium. Next question. 18 number question কি বলছে when is does spills tear occur? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C. At the time of volcanic eruption does spills tear occur? 18 number question explain. Pellet tears is a geographical term in a small piece of the solidified lava drops to form when the airborne particles of the molten material fuse into tear like to drop of the volcanic glass. Place tear are jet black in color and often found on in started placed here. They occur to at the time and volcanic eruption and tell geologists information about that lava history. Next question. 19 number question কি বলছে the underground the water and the water in river to lakes and pond in also. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B. Fresh. The underground the water and the water in river to lakes and pond in also. 19 number question explain. Fresh water is the any naturally occurring to water except to sea water and brackish water. Fresh water include water in ice sheet, ice cap, glaciers, iceberg, bogs, ponds to lake, river, stream and even to underground water called groundwater. Fresh water is the generally characterized by having to low concentration is the dissolved salt and other total and dissolved to solid. Next question. 20 number question কি বলছে earthquake that tremors and are caused by the disturbance and deep to down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D. Crust. Earthquake tremors are caused by the disturbance to deep down inside to uppermost layer of the earth. 20 number question explain. The tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down to inside the uppermost layer on the earth called the crust. The outermost layer of the earth to fragment into small pieces called plate shade places that it are in the continual motion. When that is plate in brass pass to one another or plate to goes to under to another due to collision, there is cause to disturbance in the earth core. This is disturbance that shows to up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth.